Okay, so what's going on?
And I have a doubt.
Yep.
I was trying to make a calculator by myself. So I put buttons from 0 to 9 and all the operators also. But I'm trying to like fetch the value of each button. Like if I press 1, so I want to get the value of that particular button, that is 1. So I have to display that value in the input box. Okay. So, but I'm unable, like, I tried, but I don't know how to press that particular value of that particular button. Can
Okay. I can tell you, you are clicking a button.
Yes.
And then you want to fetch the value.
Yeah.
Okay, so we can solution fetch button value. Okay.
Yes.
We'll just check this in a while. I'll just show you how to do this. Okay. Any questions apart from this?
That life cycle you guys were doing, life cycle components that will update.
Okay.
Yeah, I have confusion. You took two life cycle events, and those were will update and has updated, something like that. I don't remember exact, but they both were coming before the loading of that particular div. So technically, that should you said that you are expecting after has been updated. That alert should come after this div is showing, and after that alert should come.
Yep, so we can see this, and I'll explain you the reason. Life cycle event.js. So let's just import. My screen is visible now?
Yes, ma'am.
So I'll elaborate few more things today about lifecycle events. Okay. Sandeep, any question on your side?
Yeah.
Let's say life cycle events extends react.component. Okay, default class. So your question is regarding, let's say, constructor is called first, and don't we need not to have component will render. Okay, let's component did render will mount, and so this happens. Okay, component will mount and did mount. Okay. Okay, these are two events, and let me show you one more event, which is render. Okay, over here I'll say alert component, or rather I'll say okay, I'll add alert itself. Okay, and then what we'll do, return hello all, and over here we'll say alert component did render. We want to see the order in which they are getting, and we'll see when the UI is produced. So I also observed that common problem over there. So I'll just say React DOM. Running that tutorial stuff, passing props, React DOM.render, new React DOM.render. So last one which we were trying to display was just a minute. Index.js. Yep. So I have index.js. This was a lifecycle event that we talked about. I'll just take them off because there are a lot of lifecycle events over here. I'll say lifecycle basics.js. Okay, and I'll just copy this. I have index.js. Control P. Everything up here. Render React DOM.render, and I'm rendering this particular element, which is lifecycle events. And then what we have is the component document dot get element by ID, and then we have root. So what happens over here is we are having three lifecycle events. One is component will mount, component did mount, and render. So what do you think is the order of execution of each of them?
First should come component will mount, and after that render should come, and after that component will mount.
Will mount, render, and did mount. We'll see this in action over here. Now we'll be up. 3000. I don't know whether it's up and running. I'll just make it up and running. Reveal in Explorer. Okay, so I'll expect the same order wherein component will mount is one thing. It is going to mount, then it will just have an alert. Component will render. On render, it will say rendered, and component did mount says alert component did render did. So I'll say mount. So I want to understand from you guys, like, what do you think mount means? Does mounting mean that it is there in the DOM?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay, so let's see. I'll refresh this. Let's see, start taking the development environment. So if this mounting means that the component is available in UI at this moment of time, this element should be rendered. Okay, component will mount. It says rendered, but can you see anything over there? And it says component did mount. Can you still see anything over there? And it says hello. So now there's like component will mount and component did mount does not mean that things are there up, like they are there in DOM, but whether they are visible or not, that is not controlled by component did mount. Okay.
Okay.
Let's see one more thing. Component will mount. Okay. So the initial state that we have is, let's say, a constructor.